This is a part 2 video of using iridescent paper by Folia. This paper shines in rainbow when catches the light. In this video, I will use a simple cut of iridescent paper and turn it into something fun. Hi, my name is Ainur. I design patterns to make flowers out of flat sheets of paper. I cut them on my Cricut machine. Here is what I do before using Cricut to cut paper. I draw the shapes in Adobe Illustrator and use the SVG files to run the machine. I've cut two seashells. One had scored lines to fold it into a 3D shape. The 3D seashell looked beautiful. I was really pleased with the result. But in this video I will be using the simple flat 2D seashell, which, to be honest, at this stage looks quite boring. But I am on a creative quest. My idea is to draw over the paper and to use the thickness of paper for that. I want to draw a little mermaid by pressing a tool with the metal end over the iridescent side of paper. And to make sure the proportions are good, I first make a sketch on a thin piece of paper. I marked the general outlines and now I'm adding details. Let's flip it and transform the boring backside by adding fluorescent colors with a few highlighter pens. Adding more pops of color to the rainbow paper. By this stage I knew I wanted to make a cute little notepad for my daughter to draw inside. I cut 4 scaled down seashell shapes in thin paper. I will simply glue them in. Now I feel like adding more details to the notepad, including placing a pearl inside. It will be just a circle of glitter on the first page. The notepad looked very cute. The iridescent paper was perfect for that. And the best part was that my daughter used it to write her own stories with her own illustrations. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Stay creative. Until next time.